Most people hear about the Earnin app and immediately ask the same question. Is it legit, or is it risky? That's where things get misunderstood. Here's the truth no one tells you. Earnin is a real app, but whether it is right for you depends on how you use it and what you expect from it. In this video you'll get a clear 2026 breakdown of Earnin, how it works, and whether it is actually worth using. Let's start with the basics. Earnin is a cash advance app that lets you access money you have already earned before your payday. It is not a loan in the traditional sense. Instead, it connects to your timesheet or bank activity and allows you to withdraw part of your earned wages early. For example, Alex works hourly at a retail job. Instead of waiting 2 weeks for payday, he uses Earnin to access a portion of his earnings early when unexpected bills come up. Now here's where most people get confused. They think Earnin gives free money. That is not true. You are simply accessing your own paycheck early. There are no interest charges, but the app does accept optional tips and may charge fees for instant transfers. Now let's talk about legitimacy. Yes, Earnin is a legitimate financial app used by millions of users in the United States. It is not a scam. But here's where it gets interesting. Legitimacy does not automatically mean it is the best option for everyone. Jake tried Earnin because he needed quick cash, but he realized the limits were based on his income schedule and work hours. That means your eligibility can vary significantly. Now here's the problem. This is where most users run into frustration. They expect large cash advances instantly, but Earnin has strict verification rules. You must have a steady paycheck, a valid bank account, and proof of work hours. Let's break down how it works step by step. First, you connect your bank account and employer information. Then Earnin tracks your earnings based on your work activity. Once approved, you can withdraw a portion of your earned wages before payday. In a minute, I'll explain the biggest pros and cons you should know before using it. One major advantage is that there is no mandatory interest. You are not locked into long-term debt. But the downside is that access depends heavily on your income consistency and banking history. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Earnin can be helpful for short-term emergencies, but it is not designed for long-term financial planning. If you rely on it too often, it may signal deeper cash flow issues. So is Earnin legit in 2026? Yes, it is a real and widely used app. But whether it is worth it depends on your financial habits and expectations. The key takeaway is simple. Earnin is safe, but it is a short-term tool, not a financial solution. If this review helped you understand how Earnin really works, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.